welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a very simple but very useful and well-made product. This is an insulated lunch bag from a company called FACECOZY, and this bag just has basically everything you would want or need or be looking for in a really excellent lunch bag. From being super insulated to keep things cool or keep things warm, to having all the space you need to carry everything you need without being big or large or taking up too much space. Really excellent lunch bag. Great features, has a handle, has a shoulder strap that's removable, pocket inside, mesh pocket inside, a pocket outside for stuff that doesn't need to be kept in with the food, and a side pocket for carrying a drink or a snack or something. Just really well made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to a couple of videos. We're going to take a closer look at all the features of the lunch bag, and then we're going to also see it in action, see it with stuff in it and how well it holds and how it can hold a lot of stuff without being a really huge bag. So let's jump over to those videos so you can check that out. So before I jump over to a couple of videos of showing this in use, I just want to point out some of the features of the FACECOZY insulated lunch box. You do have this nice front pocket here, pretty big, and you can fit lots of stuff in there. The whole thing is made of this outer layer is a double layer. It's laminated fabric and it is water resistant. So, you know, if you're carrying stuff in here and it rains, you don't really have to worry about it. You will be okay. You do have this nice double zipper on the top here that unzips all around to open up completely there. And you can see even like details like the stitching here. The stitching is high quality stitching. On the inside, you've got this great mesh pocket. And then you can see how you have the stitching all the way around to make sure that it is nice and taken care of. Now between that outer layer and the inner layer, you've got an EPE foam insulation layer, nice thick foam insulation, and that's what's going to keep things cool or warm. So if you put a bunch of warm food in here, it will keep it warm, and if you put a bunch of cool food in here, cold stuff, then it will help keep it cold. And of course you can put that in there with like an ice pack type of thing and you'll be fine. Now this inner layer, this is an eco-friendly PEVA inside layer. It is water and oil resistant. So, you know, if you have something in here and something spills out of your bowl or something a little bit, or you're getting stuff out or a little bit of condensation, you're going to be fine. You can just wipe that up with no problem at all because that material is water and oil resistant. So you're not going to have any issues with that. Now, don't think this is a cooler. You can't fill this with ice or put ice in here around stuff, as that ice melts and you get lots and lots of water. This is not meant to hold water. So it's not meant for that. But the material that this is made out of is water resistant and oil resistant, so it's easy to just wipe it up, no problem at all. On the outside here, you do have this nice side pocket where you can put something as well. You've got this great handle at the top, which is good for carrying it, but it does also come with this great removable shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap, you've got your two hooks here, and you've got your latches on either side. Let me zip this up so I can show you that. You've got a latch here and a latch here. So you just hook this on there, and then you've got your great shoulder strap, and it is an adjustable shoulder strap, so you can adjust it to the length that works for you without any issues at all. Easy to use, and the way this is designed, it's about 10.5 this way by about 8.5 this way, and then just over 4 inches deep. And that's what I love about it. It's like small and compact, but yet, as you will see in a minute, will hold a ton of stuff. So very well made, very well designed. They really thought it through and gave you everything you need. So yeah, let's jump over to a couple of quick videos so you can see it in action and see it all packed and see how great it works for a bunch of different stuff. So what's really great about this FACECOZY lunchbox, as you see, I can carry it really easily. I've got my drink on the side pocket there, and I get to work. Maybe I empty some stuff out, maybe not. If I have an ice pack in there, it'll keep it all nice and cool because it is insulated. I've got this front pocket. I can keep my napkins nice and dry in there, as well as my mask, because if I'm going out, I might want to Might need to wear my mask and stay safe. And then these double zippers allow me to open this up really easy and open it up all the way. And you can see I've got this mesh pocket, got my my fork and my spoon and my plastic straw, easily accessible. And then look at all the food I've got in here. I've got my pasta bowl in there. I've got a drink. I've got another protein drink. I've got my snack bar. I've got chips. I've got hummus. Of course, things that are heavier, I got near the bottom. Things like the chips that I don't want to get crushed by the heavy stuff, I put on the top so they stay nice. And then maybe when I get to work, I take these out, move them off to the side. I might put this stuff in the refrigerator, or I might just put an ice pack in here and leave these in here because this is insulated. I put an ice pack in there and it's going to stay cool for a very, very long time. And that's the beauty of this lunchbox, is how small it is and how portable and compact it is, but yet how much stuff it can carry, that it can hold all this stuff with no problem at all. This isn't even packed full. I could fit a few more things in here if I wanted to. So really, really spacious in terms of holding a lot of stuff, but once it's all zipped up, easy to carry and very, very portable. One of the things that makes this lunchbox so awesome is it's so small and yet it holds so much. You can fill it with a lot of stuff, but it also is great for just a small group of stuff or just for a few things, and it's very compact. And you'll see, look at that. And this little, what really is small and doesn't take up a lot of space, it holds so much. I've got right now 10 12-ounce soda cans in here. And I could probably move these over and put 2 more, but these are 10 in here, and it's going to keep those cold and has plenty of space for them, but then zips completely up and is easy to take these along and carry them with me and keep them cool. So small but mighty is one of the ways I would describe this. So you can see this bag really does have it all. I mean, it is a fairly small bag. Doesn't take up a lot of space, doesn't have a large footprint, but can hold basically everything you're going to need to take in a day or even for a couple of days. And that's what I love about it. It's small, it's capable, it will keep your food warm. If you've got warm food in there, it'll keep your food cold. If you're carrying drinks and food that's going to be cold, you've got plenty of room for your utensils. You've got that front pocket for napkins or condiments and things like that. Really, whatever you need, you will be able to carry it in this bag, and it's insulated to keep it warm or cold for you. You've got optional ways to carry it with the handle on the top, as well as that great adjustable removable shoulder strap. So really excellent product by FACECOZY. If you're looking for an insulated lunch bag, you really cannot go wrong with this one. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon, so you can jump over there, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.